All right, guys, so I'm about to go on vacation and I decided I was gonna do a little kind of vacation haul and then a pack with me. So I'm gonna do the vacation haul first because I do have some pieces that I purchased. Some are specifically for the trip, some are not, but are still things that I haven't worn yet that I am bringing with me. And then I also have other things that I showed in my last try on haul that I just haven't worn yet. So I'm not gonna try those on again, but I will show you everything that I am packing. And then I'll kind of do like a speed through of me actually packing because I have some other stuff that I want to show y'all too. But yeah, I'll go get the first outfit and I'll be back. All right, this is the first thing. I decided to show you guys the swimsuits first. So this is just a two-piece from FashionNova. I haven't been wearing two pieces. I don't know when the last time I wore a two-piece bathing suit was, but I decided, you know what? It's our first vacation in 2 years. We gonna make it work. The top is a little bit big, but it will also have to do. I'm gonna kind of speed through the rest of these just because I don't want this video to be too long. But yeah, swimsuit number 1. This is swimsuit number 2, just a basic black bikini from Target. Swimsuit number 3, I got this from this site called ChicMe. I found them from an Instagram ad. The stuff is cute, the stuff that I've gotten from there, but I don't know that I would recommend purchasing because A, their shipping is taking forever, and like literally stuff that I ordered in like March just got here maybe like the end of May. So it took like over 2 months for my stuff to come. Yeah, it's kind of annoying. But not only that, but the sizing is kind of inconsistent. Like there is like, I ordered a few shirts. I'll show you one of them. But like they're all the same size, but I ordered them in different colors and one of them fits bigger than the other one. And like, it's kind of a mess. I'm pretty much happy with the stuff that I got. I did return a couple things, but yeah, I don't know that I would recommend ordering from them, but you know, this is from there. ChicMe. Oh, and I want to show you my other bathing suits that I'm bringing with me. I'm not going to put these on in the interest of time because I've had these for years, but this is just a basic black one piece, a black one piece halter neck, you know, deep V. So I'm bringing this one, and oops, I'm also bringing this red one piece, which you guys have probably seen in my like hair washing videos. I've definitely worn this in those videos. And I think I forgot to tell y'all where I'm going, but I'm going to Cabo, so I'm going to be in the pool on the beach, hence all of the bathing suits. Okay, we're moving on to cover-ups. I have this black mesh cover-up that I got from Target. It does tie in the back, but I haven't tied it, so that's why it's kind of falling off right now. I also have this other cover-up, which I got from Target like way back when. And I have this like dress that I wear sometimes as a cover-up. I don't remember where I got this from. I've had this for a few years now. All right, now we are moving on to actual clothes. So this is just kind of like a going out to eat dinner type of outfit. I got this shirt from the same site as that swimsuit, ChicMe, and this skirt I showed in my other try on haul, which is from Amazon. And I have other outfits for like nighttime. So I have this orange skirt, which I showed last time. I have this white shirt, which I also showed last time. This pink skirt from last time. And this like other white shirt, which I showed last time. So all of these were in my other try on haul. So if you want to see them on, check out that video. But these are all just kind of my like going out to dinner type of, or evening entertainment type of clothes. Yeah. Okay, so now we are moving on to kind of like party clothes. So I got this bodysuit from FashionNova. I don't have it on properly because we're hurrying. And then I have this like little skirt, which I believe I got from Burlington, but I've had this skirt forever, so I don't fully know, but yeah. And we have another bodysuit skirt combo, also for going out. Bodysuit is also from FashionNova, and this skirt, it has like a little slit right here. I think this skirt is from Charlotte Russe, but I'm really not sure. Had it for a while. All right, finally, we are on to, well, not finally, but we are on to daytime, just miscellaneous daytime clothes. These are for, you know, traveling, walking around, just anything that's not in the water. So I have this little two-piece set. It also has a slit in the front. This is from ChicMe. And then I have this dress, which I've had forever. This dress is from Charlotte Russe. I have this other halter dress, which I believe this is from Amazon. And then I have these two, like, just little cotton dresses. I'm probably gonna travel in these. These are the same dress that I had on when I first started this video. I showed you guys these in my last try on haul as well. And then of course we have a couple of cardigans because I do get cold on the plane and, you know, sometimes with AC. So I always travel with a cardigan or two just to be on the safe side. So I got a gray one and a black one, and that should cover it. Now we are at the end. We have shoes. So I have black sandals. I have white sandals. I have these nude, like, heeled sandals and a white one, which is very similar. It's just that this heel is skinnier. Other than that, these are pretty much the same shoe. Both of these are from Target, and I think the sandals are from DSW. And that is all for the clothes. Of course, I'll have my standard, you know, bras, underwear, pajamas, headscarf, etc. But y'all don't need to see any of that. All right, we are moving on to non-clothing items. I'm not gonna show you everything, but I'm gonna show you a few key things that I either just got or I think are really important. I have this travel adapter. This basically lets you plug like into pretty much any outlet. I don't think I need this, but I'm bringing it just in case since I am technically traveling internationally. I also just ordered a set of like toiletry bottles because I don't know what happened to my old ones, but it came with like maybe 5 or 6 of these little bottles in different colors, pink and purple. And I have a few of these little jars, which I can use for like moisturizer and stuff like that. It also came with like a little pump bottle and a spray bottle. So this is face wash and this is toner. And then I also got some like reusable Ziplocs, which I can use for like, these are my water pick heads. And I also have like Q-tips, cotton swab, cotton rounds, things like that inside of these. And then I put all of that inside this toiletry case, which honestly I was able to fit like everything in here. So I have my contacts up here. I have like my face moisturizer and stuff here. And then I have all my face wash, makeup remover, all that kind of stuff down here. And then that toiletry case came with this set of packing cubes that I got. So I'm gonna pack my clothes in all of these. And let's see, I think the only other thing is that I just got this travel like electronics organizer. So I'm missing one phone cable because I still need it tonight, and I think something else. But yeah, I think that's pretty much the main. I also got this little thing to travel with my electric toothbrush because I use a water pick and my toothbrush goes with my water pick. So it's like really big and bulky. So I really can't travel with that at all. But I got this to charge my toothbrush. And then I also got a portable water pick. So really happy about that. So I think that's pretty much it. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of pack. I'll kind of speed through the process of me actually packing. right, guys, I am done packing. Well, everything I can pack. I have a few other things that I did not pack because I need them in the morning, like, you know, deodorant, toothbrush, etc. I did make myself a list so that I wouldn't forget anything. I realized I should have put page numbers on my list. But yeah, so that's it for this video. I will be vlogging this trip to Cabo, so stay tuned for that vlog, although I am traveling by myself, so we'll see how much actual like action vlogging I'll be able to do. But I will at least vlog as much as I can. So definitely stay tuned for that. And in the meantime, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.